on these cows. Crazy cows up here on this side. I love the cows. I love these crazy cows. It's funny. I'm going to add these cows to my layout. Love the cows. I gotta see the cow.
I have always wanted a cows painting the billboard on my layout, but I also wanted some animation. After talking with the herd, they all agreed that after painting a sign, they love to do a happy dance. So, happy dance it is. This project, I'm going to use Lego Uno 3, servo motor, need some jumpers, need a power source, and we'll also need a horn for the servo. After building a billboard that would conceal a servo horn and a post for the servo motor, I tested the mechanism, then set about to work on a servo sketch to create the slight movement, which would give the appearance of cows doing their happy dance. Alright, here is my sketch for my dancing cows. I've included the servo library. I've just initialized it at position 0. It's got a void set up. It's attached to pin 9. My loop is just to make it go back and forth, back and forth. So from 0 to 15, wait for a delay of 75, and 15 back to 0, wait for a delay of 150 milliseconds, and 0 to 10, a delay of 25, and then from 12 to 0 with a delay of 20, and then do the loop over. So that's all I've got. That's all I've done. It's a very simple sketch. I've verified, and now upload the sketch. And it's going to move, but that's for the old sketch. The new sketch is verified, and this is the new sketch that's going on right here. I changed the delay a little bit to the 150 milliseconds. I wanted a little bit longer of a delay in there so the cows would stop and then start moving. But this horn, I'm using this horn with the multiple holes in it because the center post is what hides the driver for this. Pins in the cows go into each of these holes here, and then moving back and forth shows them moving on the platform of the billboard. Very simple sketch, just back and forth, back and forth. There's no rhyme and reason to my delays, but it's just what I liked looking at. You can see that it isn't the same, it changes, it's variable, so it looks like they're actually going to be dancing when we're done. I placed the billboard along the highway and built a fence to hold the herd in the field. I think the cows doing a happy dance is an Arduino success on my layout. It was a hit at the train show as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video.